In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox. Click on the top right in the gear icon, and then click on Settings. And then the first thing to check is that your phone number and email of your account are both there and verified. So just like this. So once you have got your email and phone number settled and both verified, the next thing to check is that your account, your Roblox account, is over 13. So mine is clearly over 13 right here. And if yours is not over 13, then you'll have to contact Roblox support to change your birth date of your account. Because if it's under 13, you're not going to be able to change your birth date like this. So to do that, just go to a new tab and then type in roblox.com/support. And then over here is the support page. So just fill in these fields, and then once you get here, put in whatever device you're on, and then in the type of help category, click on age-based settings and accounts with parental privileges, and then the help subcategory type, click on change child age. And over here, just describe an issue. So you can say something like you made a mistake while putting in the year or date, and now you can't change it. And then click on continue once you have this message. And yeah, they're gonna respond to you with an automatic ticket, and then after like a few days, they're going to actually respond to you with an actual employee, and then they'll let you know what to do. So after you got that done, that should be it for getting the voice chat or the minimum requirements. So now to activate your voice chat, click on privacy and content restrictions, communication, and then you'll see it right here, voice chat. Click on that and then you'll find enable microphone. So just turn this on and then click on enable. And that's it. Now you have voice chat enabled. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.